Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Ishita, and today I will show you how to use the Translate extension in Scratch. So first, make sure that you have the Translate extension. Please note that this is actually part 3 of my series. So if you haven't already watched part 1 and 2, then the link is in the description. You can go ahead and watch it. So now, since we're done with that, let's get started with the video. So first of all, you want to make sure that you have your extension ready. So this actually does not come automatically with the Scratch new project. So you're going to click add an extension, and over here you will see this translate. Just click on it, and there you go, you have your extension in case you haven't already. So now first is this language tool, which we don't want to get into because it just simply shows you like literally what language or text is in. No need of explaining that. Now let's just focus on this block for now. This can translate whatever text is in here to the chosen languages. You have a lot of languages in here. Not all the languages are there, but there are many languages. For example, Thai, Swedish, Ukrainian, blah blah blah. Since I can speak French, I'm just going to set it to French because I don't want to confuse myself. So yeah. So first of all, over here you just want to put whatever text you have, whatever text you want to translate. So for example, let's say I want to translate good night to French. So we're just going to click over here, translate good night, and over here we're going to choose which language we want to translate to. So for example, let's say you want to translate to Persian, then you will click Persian. If you want to translate to like Indonesian or Irish or whatever, then you will get that language. But for now I'm choosing French because, as I told you, I can speak French, so at least I won't get my mind erupted or something. Yeah, whatever. So first you're just going to click on this, and there you go, you have a translation, born in with. So how you can use this? First of all, you can just use this like any other normal round block, and what you can do, if you want your character to speak in different languages but you don't want to write the text for the language, or you can't speak the language, then you can use this. So for example, if I put it over here, there you go, instead of saying hello, it says bonne nuit. So this is how it works. Now the next thing I wanted to show you is how you can use the Make extension. So this is basically like another extension which you can use. This one, there's no need to explain. This is just like the normal space key pressed. Let me quickly explain this one. So instead of using these, what you can do is you can go over here and get a join block. Just I want to make sure one thing is that in every key you want to keep a distance, a space. So let's say for example, if when the key A is pressed and then the key C is pressed, I wanted to say hello for 2 seconds. So first over here in this, I'm going to type A, then I'm going to put a space, then I'm going to type over here C, only like this, otherwise it won't work. Let me show you. Yeah, it worked. And there should not be also a lot of gap, a lot of gap of time in the two keys. Like for example, if it's too much, then sometimes it won't work, but most of the time it will work. So yeah, make sure you always use spaces in between. So that's just what I want to show you today. Thank you everyone for watching. I know this was a very short video, but yeah, like I said, there is not much left for you to understand the basics to Scratch. Basically all the basics are covered in this, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can notify whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.